Hi everyone, it's Friday the 1st of November. Just me and you and our main man Kendrick hanging out in the Oakleigh hood. Not an RBA video because that'll happen on, well, I won't do the video on Tuesday, but they'll just leave everything as it is. I just thought today I'd give everyone an update on the first home deposit scheme, which was a fanfare announcement, part of the coalition in the election, and legislation's just been passed to implement it. So a reminder of what it is. The government allocated 500 million to a maximum of 10,000 first-time buyers in the first instance, and what it enabled a first homeowner to do is to buy a property just contributing 5% of the purchase price, and the government would guarantee the other 15%, which effectively meant that you could avoid lender's mortgage insurance. And its purpose was to make housing more affordable by minimising the costs that were to be incurred through the 5,000 or 10,000 lenders mortgage insurance that you could you would incur. Now, some more information's also been released. There's maximum purchase price. Price has been set. So in Victoria, you can't spend more than 600 grand on a property. In Melbourne, and I'm just looking at my notes here. It's 375,000 in regional Victoria. It's 700,000 in Sydney and 450 in regional New South Wales, and in Brisbane it's 475 and 400. In the rest of Queensland. So there are limits. So if you're buying above those levels, you're not eligible. The things to think about from my perspective is that it's just a drop in the ocean. We've got 110,000 first-time buyers every year, and only 10,000 are eligible. So it's going to be a lottery whether you even get it. The other thing is that it's capped so that it's only available to borrowers who either earn 125,000 in a single income household or 200,000 in a joint. Only 10% of Australians earn more than that. So actually it's not necessarily been targeted to those who need it most. And then from my own perspective, I get a little bit nervous about loans getting larger, and so therefore the repayment obligations are greater for first-time buyers. So we just got to be careful. Look, it could work, but I think ultimately it might be a bit of a band-aid. We don't know which lenders are going to be involved. We've been told it's two of the big four, but there's more details to be released. Anyway, lots of people have been asking me about it. Thought I'd do a quick vid on it, and yeah, otherwise have a great long weekend. Well, certainly Victoria, and if you get any tips for Melbourne cut, then please let me know. I always seem to back the horse with three legs.